We got 90 pounds of freshly shredded pulled pork here. We got a big tank. We can fit 1,000 students under here. Get on out. I'm from Pennsylvania, but I've really kind of taken to this Texas lifestyle. I love the Texas barbecue, so when I moved down here, I just bought myself a smoker and just started experimenting. And you know, you get better over time. And then Rice Rally asked me to sponsor the club. And so I said, yeah. I was already doing my own little tailgaters on my own, making like 2 or 3 pulled pork butts for pulled pork and serving it to students. And then I guess it was last year or the year before, we kind of really ramped it up.
He's very much a legend. You know, the man has supply and demand on his biceps right there. He makes the best pulled pork this side of Houston. And I tell you what, I love him every day for it. I got an econ test on Wednesday, and I think I'm gonna do great. Let's go Owls!
And it's a little bit of a different vibe, but to be honest, I talk about this in my class all the time. I just wrote my own textbook, and it is chock full of pictures of all the barbecue that I make. And so really, it's kind of cool because they get to see it and hear it in the classroom, and then they get to come taste it, and we get to interact and have a lot of fun. And I love sports. I played college sports. And so this is just a beautiful marriage of food and sports and hanging out with students. It's awesome.